second graders. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. And if we were still in school, which I really wish we were, today would have been our track and field day. So instead of working on language arts today, I would like you to log in to Mr. Gorder and Mr. Rowlandson's Google Classroom. If you don't already have access to it, I put the code right here. So you can go to Google Classroom, click the plus sign, and type their code in, and then their Google Classroom will pop up. Click on their K through 2 virtual track and field day events and complete their virtual track and field. So again, you have no language arts today because I want you to get outside and I want you to do some of those virtual track and field day events and maybe push yourself and see how many you can complete. And then you also have free choice Chromebook time if you did all of your language arts this week and finished it all. If you really want to work on some language arts today, you can complete a Raz Kids and you can free write for 20 minutes. And as always, you should be reading to self every single day. So you should be doing that as well. But today, I want you to focus on those virtual track and field day events. Have fun, enjoy the events, and send me a video on Seesaw of you completing some. I would love to see you exercising and working hard. I will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend and Friday.